Alright guys, as you can see up inside here, here's the air filter. So basically, you can see the arrows for the airflow. Don't forget that. Just pull these, and then it just slides on out. And you can see inside your fan and all that. So and then you just slide it back in until it clicks. And that's all there is to it. Alright, this is the other thing I wanted to show. I got this one. It's a high efficiency cabin air filter. It's fresh sand. It even says it's neutralized with baking soda. Removes 99% of harmful particles and less restrictive than HEPA filters. There's the number. So we'll see how well this does versus the stock one. Never know. Some rich car guy over there about to be like, hell yeah, I want that thing to fly over and pick it out. Might be a good plan, because you know how much stuff I can pay off, and then we can probably roll right into a house. You know? I can always get another one to start over. He's like, no. Is this thing on? Are you on? Oh shit. The thing, brand